Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just here to do a very quick hair review on this wonderful hair unit I am wearing. She is Supermoon from the Janet collection, and I am wearing her in the color Honey Blue. This is what the stock card looks like. She comes originally as a center part, as it is just a lace part wig. It's not a lace front wig, so this is the only part in space that you get on this unit. However, there is a very thin strip of lace that runs around the hairline that I did use to create some baby hairs. And yeah, so this is what she's looking like. The hair is very soft, it feels very natural. It's just a basic cap construction with 2 combs to the side and 1 in the back. I did nothing to the hair personally more than finger comb, as I can't keep my hands out of her. I will definitely leave the link to this hairpiece at the bottom, so if you're interested in purchasing, you definitely can do so. I, however, won this unit from Weight Types as a giveaway, so I appreciate that. Thank you guys very much. I love her. She is beautiful, and you can send me more things if you want to. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, don't you forget to hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Awesome.